everyone to the 5th video on Scratch. Right, so now we'll be continuing with this. So we're making the enemy planes come down at first, and if there's enough time, we'll see if we can teach you how to shoot the bullets.
Just to refresh the memory, what does it do now? Currently?
Currently, let's play this. It only does this with a scrolling backdrop. Oof. So just in case you haven't watched the last video, I say that if you want to know where we're at so far, you should probably watch it.
Okay. So we continue from here.
So actually, we are still at the beginner level of games.
Okay,
we're not at
stop and
intermediate
let's carry on.
Right, so let's just duplicate this jet.
What are we doing?
But we need to we're basically trying to make the enemies. So just delete all that. Then when you go to costume, you press the flip vertical, and just like this. Then what you basically do is use this and then select the random color. Control Z.
Yeah. Alright, let's not.
We just here.
Yeah, we're trying to change the color.
Yes.
Maybe now it's a little bit of designing the enemy plane, right?
So we just try to make it a bit. So we just make the color a bit lighter. No, I don't think.
Now you can design this. You're watching this. You can design anything you want. Just don't press the wrong one.
Yeah.
The wrong button. It's the same. Don't make it the same. Okay.
Right.
Or it can be anything actually.
Yeah, it can be like anything. Literally. But
cool.
I'm going with.
Looks good. Looks good.
Yep. And I kind of want that. Oh, you're kidding me always. That red color back for a while. Voila. It is kind of difficult.
I think it's okay. It's too small,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Oh, we forgot to save. Now this is called Untitled 54 again. Let's save it here. Yeah.
Alright, let's go save.
Let's call it
Bye.
Jet. Come on.
Jet.
Yeah. Anything. Let's call it
Skyfighter.
Yeah, a jet fight. We had a Skyfighter game already, right?
Yeah, I guess jet.
Duel.
Sky Duel.
Sky Duel. D-U-E-L.
Huh? Sorry, I am so bad at spelling.
Yeah. We learn.
Alright, so let's go to code. Right, so first we start with a normal one green flag clicked. Progressing to the hide button, which like literally hides the sprite. So you're probably wondering, hey, then why did you bother going into all that designing? Well, you're about to find out. So there's a wait block. So we're saying wait 0.6 seconds. And repeat how many times? 100 times? Yeah, 100 times. Repeat 100 times. Wait 1 second. Then create clone of myself.
Can you tell everybody what this does? This code.
It does. Well, let's let me show you. Oof. Yeah, it makes it clones, but we can't see it because it's hide already.
Yeah, so it really creates a clone every 0.6 seconds, and you will
Yeah.
just repeat
So
100
let me
times.
show you how you actually make it show. But first, let's put in the code. So when I start as a clone,
You got to explain to people what you're doing and what is the effect of this, right?
and yeah, it's really like just the duplicated part.
Yeah, and then this code shows the
So
code
when
that we
I
just made.
start as a clone, hide, then you should go to. This is the very difficult part. This is the most complex block we've made so far. Pick random minus 250 to 250, which is like the length of the whole screen. And then for Y, we should change it to 160. Like
So this
at the
determines the
end of
starting.
screen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this determines the starting position.
So then
of the
we
clone,
make
right?
it.
Yeah, you gotta explain that.
So then we make it like show.
Yeah, after that you make it go there, then you show it. Then tell it what to do.
Then we.
What do you want it to do? I
Then
don't
we
think
wait
it's 0.7 seconds.
0.
Then you don't even need this. Yeah.
So then we just wait.
Yeah, let's take it out for now.
Let's take it out. So show, then
And that's
go
the
to
interesting part.
motion, glide, wait. So before we get to literally decide how fast it goes. So we start at the beginner level. So
Yes, just
I
one.
suggest we just put 1 second.
Yeah, sounds good.
To X. So you go X. X should be X position. So just like literally says there. And then Y should be well, you can't see it anymore. Minus 250. Then after that you delete this clone. Right, so let's see if it works. Let's go. Woohoo, look at that. Planes are falling from the air.
It's coming at a random
Yeah.
position between minus 250 to 250, right?
Though now looking at this size, looks kind of big.
Yeah, you gotta make them a little bit smaller.
Yes, I'm gonna change this back to 35.
And same for that Jet 2, right?
35. They kind of want to make this smaller. Right, so let's go.
Well, yeah. So now we have made the enemy plane come down. We haven't actually coded anything that explains the consequences of them banging, crashing into each other.
Yeah, not yet. But in the last video, we said if we had time, we could also teach you how to make the bullet shoot. But it seems like we don't have enough time. You can't explain much code in 1 minute.
10 minutes, yeah, 1 minute, right? Okay.
Yes, so I guess we should end this video.
Or should I add some sound?
Oh, 1 minute, and you still want to add some sound?
Yeah.
No way. That's definitely not enough time.
Right then, let's take to the next one.
Yeah, I guess.
I think we're making good progress.
Yeah, first let's reflect. So I think we like wasted like the whole half of the 10 minutes designing. So I hope you guys don't take that long to design the plane. Yeah, anyway, see you in the next video. Bye.